Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So guys, this is our 25th question for the practice as part of the cell biology interview series. So today I'm going to ask a very good question. It will definitely going to make you think a lot about the questions, and till now what we have been discussing. So let's see the question without any further delay. So you have found a novel transcription factor, call it as a factor X, okay? And it is expressed at high levels in pluripotent stem cells, okay, and you have found that it is associated with the histone deacetylase, ठीक है. In short, हम इसको HDAC बोलते हैं. Now, is factor X an activator or a repressor of its target genes? Okay, ये पहला क्वेश्चन हो गया. Do you expect it to be bound to the promoter regions of the genes that maintain the pluripotent state or genes that induce differentiation? Okay, so this has got two types of question. Okay, दो क्वेश्चन इसमें पूछे गए हैं. तो सबसे पहले क्या बोला गया है कि आपने एक नया ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर आपको मिला है. लेट अस से दैट इट इज एक्स. जब भी हमें पता नहीं होता तो हम एज्यूम कर लेते हैं एक्स, जैसे मैथ्स में बोल देते हैं लेट अस से दैट इट इज एक्स. Okay, and now we know that it is expressed in high levels in pluripotent stem cells में है, but it is associated with your HDAC. ठीक है. So guys, if you've been watching the Mole Bio summary series also from Watson, guys do watch because it is covering all the important aspects of your Mole Bio. Okay, so we know that whenever HAT and HDAC is there, right? So histone acetyl transferase. So जब भी HAT enzyme आता है, so wherever you have got the nucleosomes, it goes in at the acetyl group. ठीक है, acetyl group add करेगा. Now when you add acetyl group, what happens? You know that histone nucleosomes, histones proteins are positively charged and your DNA backbone is negatively charged. So there is a interaction. Now, when you add acetyl group, what happens? The negative charge becomes more and your nucleosomes gets open up. Therefore, the genes which are required to be transcribed are exposed in. ठीक है, ये कब होता है? When you have got the HAT. But in this case, it is said that it is associated with HDAC. HDAC का काम क्या है? एसिटाइल ग्रुप को रिमूव करना, यानी कि वो उस स्टेट को वापस ला रहा है, यानी कि न्यूक्लियोसोम्स को वापस बना रहा है. ठीक है, इट इज हेल्पिंग इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियोसोम्स और क्रोमैटिन, दैट इज लाइक कंडेंस फॉर्म में लाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. So from this we know that HAT is for the activator and HDAC is for the repressor. ठीक है, अब हमें ये मालूम है X is associated with HDAC. HDAC is associated with the repressor. So it is actually a repressor of its target genes. I guess यह सबको clear हो गया है, right? Now, do you expect it to be bound to the promoter regions of genes that maintain the pluripotent state or genes that induce the differentiation? ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या बोले? इट इज रिप्रेसर ऑफ इट्स टारगेट जीन्स. अब यहाँ पे टारगेट जीन्स क्या है? The genes which are going to make your pluripotent stem cells to remain in its pluripotent stage itself. ठीक है, वो हो गया टारगेट जीन. अब उसका एक्टिवेटर होना मतलब it is going to keep these stem cells as it is. Since we found that this X is associated with HDAC and it is associated with the repressor of its target gene, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It is not going to keep the cell in its pluripotent stage. Okay, it means that it is expected to bound to the promoter regions of genes which are responsible or which are going to induce differentiation. ठीक है, and it is going to maintain the other genes in the repressed form. So guys, कैसा लगा क्वेश्चन? था ना बहुत सिंपल. अब इसे सुन सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि हमें आता नहीं है, बट अगर आप इसको शॉर्ट कर दो तो बहुत इजी हो जाता है. सो ट्राई वंस अगेन. अगर कोई भी आपको डाउट है तो लेट मी नो दैट बिकॉज वी हैव कवर्ड ऑल दीज इन दी मोल बायो एंड दी सेल बायो समरी सीरीज. So if any doubts are there guys, please let me know because this is going very interesting and I really want everyone to participate in this series enthusiastically. So guys, till then, take care, stay safe.